Now, more than ever, all the slums in big cities in India are highly vulnerable to COVID-19 and its related complications. Specifically, people with comorbidities, people living in closed spaces, lack of hygiene and sanitation are other key factors contributing to the rapid spread of the COVID-19 disease. Our focus has been on prevention more than cure. ADB funding assistance has inspired us to do more and support to reduce human suffering in the Bangalore urban slum. We adopted 4 key pillars to strengthen services among the slum population. The first key pillar is partnership, wherein we have established partnership with community-based organizations, local government and technology companies. The second key pillar is to find technology innovation, finding solutions to the world's most pressing data problem to trace, track and treat COVID vulnerable in the urban slums. Data is changing the landscape of what we are doing in the Center of Excellence Urban Health. This means we can figure out what's happening now on the ground and actually respond to it in a real-time basis. A great example of this is some of the work we are doing at Vijayanapura slum right now. In Vijayanapura slum, where there is a lot of vulnerable population, there is no individual specific comorbidity data to trace, track and refer health concerns accurately. This new interface helps us focus on individuals with comorbidities, thus highlighting areas of concern. This enables us to identify areas of intervention accurately. We collaborated with Scanbo Technologies, where Bluetooth-enabled devices are being used to capture the data automatically. We can now track and provide support services for people with comorbidities and active COVID infection, helping us prioritize service for those in need. We have been working on cost-effective devices, data able to transfer automatically which matches phone numbers of beneficiaries, eliminating manual entry of data, data errors, and data delay. This potentially will help future COVID vaccine delivery drive, AEFI tracking, COVID and NCD related services. In this way, we are attempting data for good health for the urban poor. Third, we map the healthcare services and limitations in terms of size, composition, and distribution. Finally, build capacity of community-based organizations for home care and enables the local government for data-driven decisions. We aim to replicate this model in similar slum settings in Bangalore as well as other slums across India. Our goal is that the government of Karnataka uses study output to reach nearly 30 lakh of urban slums, and Government of India uses this study output to reach nearly 250 million people who live in the slums of India. This initiative enables the country's most vulnerable benefit from the country's best collective knowledge and resources.